got another very special one for y'all. You can pretty much take a look at that and see what's going on. Only thing that's missing is the blue water. This is what I like to call my diamond dust earth cuts. Speaking lowly because this thing deserves a lot of attention. Get rid of that dirt right there with my steamer in the back. Professional steamer to take all that out. So before I put this up on the website, this will be as clean as a whistle. Just got out of production. Appreciate everybody for tapping in. You got the alternate diamond dust and the polished patterns to give off the impression of a continent or the earth. This is in gold and it looks a lot better in gold to me versus silver. Silver is nice, but gold is very nice. Inbox me if you want to get you one of these. This is just incredible, off the charts work. And I hope to do some work for you soon, guys. If I haven't already, feel free to tap me into your guys, man. I just getting ready to ship this thing out. Shout out to all my clients around the country that have been supporting and rocking with the channel. Y'all be easy and stay safe. One.